This is going to be a tough one to film because this is so super tall. So I'm just going to give you a quick little intro of what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to try to piece this together as best as I can. So um, I have a canvas underneath. I have this fun Christmas tree, and I have a whole bunch of different reds and whites. And so I'm just going to pour over the tree, let it drip down on the canvas, and then do a regular tilt. So between my two cameras set up, hopefully we'll get something for you. um, and yeah, let's get started. I'm going to take you down for a quick look on the painting. It's really cool. I tried to just sort of wanted to keep most of the paint on there, but there's a lot of paint on there. So I just sort of tilted it off to the side, but I wanted to keep that little center just because I thought it was cool. I just sort of pushed it off to the side, but all these like kind of red and white swirls, and especially this red and white swirl, it's really pretty. So I think this is going to dry really nice. And the tree came out pretty much exactly like I was hoping it to be. So we will see how it dries, and I will let you know. And this is gonna make some really fun skins. Ah, yay. So excited. Okay, let's see what we get. So here are the dried results of the Christmas tree. And here's the painting first. In real life, this is a bit darker. I don't know if I can... That's probably a little more accurate. I don't know if it's actually in focus now, but color-wise is probably a little more accurate. But let me take you in for a little bit of a close-up on it. So I don't know if you remember, well, you might remember because it was probably 2 seconds ago in the video. I set this on a cup to dry, which was really dumb. Well, it wasn't, because what it ended up doing is, because it dried on the cup, it sort of left a ring impression in it. So a trick with canvases is, if you get like a dent or something in the canvas, you can wet the back of the canvas, and usually it'll bounce back in, or it'll bounce back into shape. So you can kind of see right here the faintest little outline of that ring. I think if I spray it down, yeah, it's right here too. I think if I spray it down one more time, it'll probably be okay. It was a lot worse when I first took it off, but I think it's really cool. I like these little swirls right here. They're really, really pretty. So anyway, that's the painting. And because I'm in my son's playroom, and because this thing is so tall, I'm not quite sure the best way to show you the tree, but here's a quick overall. And then I'm just going to kind of come in close so you can kind of see how it came out. I just did a really quick brush coat of just some black with some red. I really didn't pay too much attention on how I finished the bottom, because that's not going to be the focus of it. I think once I add some glossy varnish to this, it's going to really pop. So I'm pretty excited about that. Overall, this was a super fun little project. So if you're at your local craft store and you see these little cardboard trees, I don't know, I love the skinny trees. I don't know why. I have a Santa that's like kind of tall and skinny, and I think he's gonna look, this tree will look really cute next to him. Actually, hold on. These 2 other pieces are a little worse for wear. The painting on the right I did last year, and well before I knew how to varnish anything, and but it was a balloon smash, and that was one that I did for myself, and I really like how it came out, but it's definitely going to need some touch-ups. I just haven't gotten around to it this year, but it's my tall little skinny Santa, and I think he does look really cute next to the tree, so I'm happy. So those will eventually go out and on my mantle. Of course, it's, what, December 15th today, so probably better get cracking on putting them out. Here's Fearne. Saying hello. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and hope you guys are having a great holiday season, and whether it's Christmas or Hanukkah or any other of the season's greetings, hope your holidays are well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Fearne, do you have anything else to say? You say bye? You say bye? See you next time. Bye, guys.